This is Paul. I thought we should go through these documents again. This was issued on September 7th of 2016. I looked at my records. The court date was actually on September 6th. Yes. The court date where I was requested by the public defender to appear in court. Yeah. But I found this interesting that it was not, this was sent to the wrong address. Yes. Now, you would have thought that the court would have read that the ticket, the violation that was issued from Sequim, Washington, had me as homeless. Yeah. And I myself had put down that I was homeless. Yes. And the public defender did know that I was homeless. Yes. But they still issued a warrant with the address of 1023 Kitchen Dick Road on it. Yeah. Now, this is a big issue because the city of Sequim, Clallam County, state of Washington, plaintiff. Now, yesterday we had touched upon if the petitioner didn't petition the court, how was it that the city of Sequim decided that they were going to arrest me when there was no signature of the petitioner? Yeah. And then why was it that the judiciary sent a warrant to the wrong address when they did know that I was homeless? Oh. Now, I know that could have been an administrative error. But somehow I think that there are a lot of people in Clallam County that know that I'm homeless. Now, let's say you were just plain stupid, okay? And I'm sitting here on Father's Day, and my sons have been abducted since July 2nd of 2011. And you're playing a game called I Don't Have to Do What the Law Says. And I'm playing a game called I'm going to get everything you own, and if you own anything that's super top secret spy gadgets, I'm going to put you in prison for espionage. Ouch! Now, as we play these games, myself against yourselves, that would be those elected to office. Yep. Those that are sheriffs and police officers. Yep. Those that are judges and justices. Yeah. Those that are in the postal service. Yeah. The senior executive service and every admiral and general for the last 25 years. I'm that citizen that would sue for unincorporation of every city in the United States. Now, how many have super top secret spy gadgets? They're not real diamond rings, but they're GPS locators. Poo. Now, Heidi had quite a few spy gadgets. As a super top secret agent of those that think we're going the fish family way, I thought Jessica's boombox was something. Really something. In fact, her little wristwatch that gave the time, it seemed like, what time is it, Jessica? And there could have been some televisions and various other items that might have had GPS locators in them. Now, in the super top secret game of who's going to take over the world, for every oath of office that owns anything connected to a satellite when they really shouldn't be connecting to a satellite. Yeah. Using a super top secret spy gadget that they really shouldn't own. Yeah. Suing for espionage all of those that are committing domestic violence against the United States of America is easy to prove in court when you explain to a jury of your peers why it is that a Supreme Court justice has to have a direct connection to a satellite. Being married to a woman that was able to broker a deal with Kim Jong-il is not every man in America understands what it's like to be married to a super top secret agent. Now, I learned a lot in this whole intelligence game, and as I go through the personal belongings of all of those that I'm suing for not supporting and defending their sworn oaths of office, I'm going to be sure to go through every item that they have purchased or owned for the last 20 years that could have connected to a radio transmission tower, could have connected to a satellite system, a special internet that they and only they know about. Any clones, androids, biochips, implants, any special TVs or radios, any cars that talk to them. Now I know I get issued one of these warrants, complaint under Corey Hall oath or certification. Now, I don't know what police officer Corey Hall was concerned about, okay? For Squim to motion the court that Heidi had to have a protection order when she wasn't fearful of me does obviously violate a number of laws. But all of those that are employed in incorporated cities throughout the United States, as I go through their spy gadgets and anything that they might have had that would have connected them to a local area network where only they know how to communicate. They only know. It could be that going to prison for espionage, treason, insurrection, domestic violence against the United States could be very easy to prove. Now I'm just gonna need to know every spy gadget.